Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some Happy Mail as well as a mini yarn haul. So recently I was contacted by a lady named Doris Wright, and she's from Cottage Studio, and she contacted me asking for my address in order to send me some Happy Mail. So we got to talking a little bit and she sent me some Happy Mail, and I could not be happier, to put it lightly. I received this earlier this week and I'm really happy because the day I received it I was feeling a little bit under the weather. For the past week or so I've been dealing with a throat infection, so when I received this yarn I was very happy because it lifted my spirits, and it definitely was a complete surprise that it showed up earlier than expected. So it definitely showed up on the right day, and it definitely put a smile on my face, and I would just like to share this with you. Doris Wright, as I said, is from Cottage Studio, and she's this very sweet lady who has been sending out Happy Mail to a couple of different YouTubers. And if you love yarn as much as she does, then you will appreciate Happy Mail if she sends you anything like that. So thank you so much, Doris, for your kindness and your generosity, and I greatly appreciate it. So let's get started on what she gave me. So as you can see here, she gave me some ice yarn, which I've personally never used ice yarn, and the other yarns that she gave me I've never used as well, so this was definitely something that made me even more excited to try out because it's all yarn I've never tried, and I'm excited to see how everything works up. So she gave me 8 skeins of this white yarn, and let's see, I'm sorry for the noise, but let me just take something out. And this is Ice Yarns, and this is Dora, and this is 100% acrylic. It's 100 grams or 250 meters, and it's a light, or it's a fine number 2 weight yarn. So it is a thinner yarn, which is perfect for baby blankets, which I always enjoy making baby blankets. And this is made in Turkey. Now I'm not sure what these symbols are, except for I think this one is do not iron, and maybe this is low heat. I'm not exactly sure, but this is very soft yarn. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, which kind of reminds me of the Karen Simply Soft yarn. So I'm very excited to work with this yarn and make a baby blanket. I already have a baby blanket in mind, so I might just use this yarn for that pattern. But very soft and very squishy yarn, so I'm very excited to try this out, like I said. And the next yarn that I got is 2 skeins of this ice yarn, and this yarn is very pretty. Oh, it's very soft. I love this. And it's that nice rainbow, and this is called Picasso, and this is 44% acrylic, 56% polyester. It's 50 grams or 115 meters, and this is considered, I think that's a 4 weight yarn. So very soft. I am so excited to try out this yarn. It has a little bit of fuzziness to it. I just love those bright and bold rainbow colors. Very beautiful yarn. And like I said, I've never tried this yarn before, so I'm very excited to try that out. This is definitely nice and soft and squishy. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make with this yarn just yet, but I definitely will make something special with it. So that is the Ice Yarns Picasso. And the last yarn that I got was this yarn right here. And again, this is another yarn I've never tried before, so I am interested in seeing how all of this works up. And I got 4 full skeins as well as a partial skein of this, which is Line Brand Basic Stitch Premium. Now I have heard of this yarn, I've just never used it before. So it's very soft from first touch. And as you can see, on the label they show you how many skeins it would take to make one of these projects. So either a hat, scarf, or sweater, they tell you how many skeins you need. And this is a 3.5 ounce skein, or 100 grams. It's 219 yards, or 200 meters. It's machine washable and dryable, and it's 100% premium acrylic. And this is considered a 4 worsted weight yarn. And the color that Doris sent was boysenberry. And it's this really pretty deep purple color. And I don't think I've ever worked with a color like this before, but it's very, very pretty. That's kind of more the true color right here. But I really, really love how soft this is. I can definitely see a scarf or a hat made with this, or even a blanket. And I think because it's that premium acrylic, it might be anti-pilling. I'm not 100% sure, but it seems like it would be anti-pilling. Very beautiful yarn. So thank you so much again, Doris, for sending me this happy mail, especially at a time when I was feeling a little bit under the weather. It definitely helped cheer me up this week. So thank you so much again for your kindness and your generosity. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. So now moving on to some yarn that I picked up recently. I went to my local Walmart and I had a project in mind, and I wanted to see if my Walmart carried that yarn, and thankfully they had some of the yarn I was looking for. And I've never tried this before, and this is their Mainstays line. And this is 100% luxe cotton yarn, and as you can see, it's a number 6 super bulky weight yarn, and it is 50 yards or 46 meters. It's a 3.5 ounce skein, or 100 grams. And I got 9 skeins of this because I had a project in mind that I wanted to make, so hopefully I can make that and produce that video for you soon. And the color I got is called Aqua Slate. And I thought this was a really pretty color. And I didn't even know that cotton yarn can come in a giant bulky weight yarn like this. So I was very excited when I saw this at my local Walmart. This is a very soft skein, and it looks like you have a couple of different thick strands woven together with that thin strand. So very, very pretty. I'm very excited to work on that next project, and like I said, hopefully I can get that video out fairly quickly for you guys. I just have to start feeling a little bit better. Today is the first day where I am starting to feel a little bit better. My voice is still a little bit scratchy, so I will hopefully get that video up for you guys soon. And then I also picked up some other new to me yarn, and with this yarn I plan on making some Christmas stockings with the fur on top. So this is Line Brand For Faux, and this is a 3.5 ounce skein, 100 grams. It's 65 yards or 60 meters. It's 100% polyester, and it's machine wash, lay flat to dry. And this is considered a number 6 super bulky weight yarn as well. Now as you can see, this is very, very soft and plush, and here is what that strand looks like. And this particular color is called Chinchilla. So like I said, I was going to make some Christmas stockings, and I was going to put this yarn on the top around the opening. So I'm very excited to try this out. I've never tried this yarn before, so looking forward to that. And I got 3 other colors, and I got, this one is called Baked Alaska, which is just a really pretty cream color. And I got this really nice light pink color, and it's called Pink Poodle. So I thought that would be really cute. And finally, I got this color, which is kind of like a brown cream color, and this is called Husky. Might even have a little bit of gray in it, but to me, in this lighting, it looks more like a brown, taupey, and cream color. And then here is what one of the skeins looks like once you work it up into a project. So I'm really excited to try this yarn. As I said, I've never tried this before, so hopefully it's not too difficult to work with this thicker strand and this fur. So looking forward to that. So thank you so much for joining me today on my happy mail from Doris Wright from Rose Cottage Studio, as well as my mini Walmart haul. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have you tried any of this yarn before, and what are your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!